How to pin any app to the taskbar in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to keep your favorite apps just one click away. First, click on the Start menu. After that, find the app you want to pin from the list of installed apps. From there, right-click on that app. At this point, select Pin to Taskbar from the menu. In the next step, the app's icon will now appear directly on your taskbar. Following this, if the app is already open, you can also right-click on its icon in the taskbar instead. Once done, select Pin to Taskbar from that menu to keep it there even after closing the app. From here, drag and drop taskbar icons left or right if you'd like to reorder them. At this stage, repeat these steps for any other apps you want quick access to. Keep in mind, if you ever want to remove an app from the taskbar, right-click on its icon and select Unpin from Taskbar. Finally, click on any pinned app anytime to launch it directly from your taskbar. And that's it. If this guide helped you pin any app to the taskbar in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.